The fact that Jared Loughner's family apparently never got him help has a familiar ring to Clark Romans.
But it ain't no cocktail hour conversation piece. People don't talk about it. There's too much stigma.
Romans, who heads up the local chapter of the National Association of Mental Illness, says Arizona has very progressive laws to deal with the mentally ill. In some states, actual law breaking must happen before someone can be involuntarily committed. But here, all that's needed is a witness's judgment that a person is persistently delusional or potentially a threat. Loughner was deemed a problem at school by teachers, and Romans says he could have been committed. But there is no record of him ever getting treatment or of anyone calling the mobile acute care teams available here. Unfortunately, few know about the assistance.
Probably 0.1% of the population of this community.
Clark Romans estimates there may be as many as 80,000 mentally ill people here in Tucson. That's about 1/10 of the population. But only 25% of them are getting any kind of treatment. Nationwide, money is a big issue.
And you know, people, they're afraid it's going to bankrupt the healthcare system.
For the first time in more than 3 decades, mental health funding in this country is declining. Congresswoman Giffords attended a ribbon-cutting ceremony for a mental health facility here last October. But the fact is that Arizona's mental health budgets have been cut $65 million over the last 3 fiscal years, a 51% reduction. For Lois Early of Glendale, the Arizona law may be well-intentioned, but the services are lacking. Her 25-year-old daughter, Toby, has bipolar disorder with psychotic features.
You call, but you really have to be a pest. You have to be a tireless advocate if you have a loved one that has a mental illness.
And apparently Jared Loughner had no advocate at all. Dean Reynolds, CBS News, Tucson.